Hey friends, it's Lauren from Taste Better from Scratch, and today is for my chocolate lovers. You guys, this chocolate cream pie, if you love chocolate things, it is rich, silky, creamy. It's so easy to make, but it is everybody's favorite. If you love chocolate, this is going to be your new favorite pie. We're going to top it with a layer of whipped cream, some chocolate curls if you're feeling extra fancy. Let me show you just how easy it is. One of the stars of this dish is the thick, chewy Oreo crust, and you only need 2 ingredients to make it. We're using whole Oreo cookies. I've got 24 of them. We're going to add them to your food processor and pulse them until they're fine crumb. Add the Oreo crumbs to your mixing bowl with just 5 tablespoons of melted butter. And that's as easy as this crust is. Just going to pour this into our pie dish. And then I like to use a 1/4 cup or just a small measuring cup to press the mixture into the pie pan. It gets it in there nice and firm. It's just easier than doing it with your hands. Easy as that. We're ready to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Grab a large saucepan. We're going to make our chocolate pie filling over here at the stove. We need 2½ cups of whole milk and 1/3 cup granulated sugar. Whisk that together over medium heat. We're just going to bring this to a simmer. In the meantime, we're going to grab 6 egg yolks. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Whisk those together till it's well combined. This is going to be what thickens up our pie filling. Next, it's really important to temper our eggs before we add them to the saucepan. And all that means is we're going to add a little bit of this hot simmering milk, a spoonful at a time, to the egg yolks, and whisk it in. This will slowly warm up the eggs before we add them so that they don't cook and scramble when they're added. Add the egg yolk mixture to the simmering milk, and we're going to bring it to just a very low, gentle boil. You'll start to see just a few bubbles breaking the surface, and make sure to stir it really well. Remove from heat, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of chopped butter, 8 ounces of chopped high-quality semi-sweet chocolate, and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. Stir this well until the butter and chocolate are completely melted, and you're going to see it turn into a beautiful chocolate pie filling. Now we're ready to pour this into our pie crust. Our pie has set up beautifully, so now I'm going to make a quick whipped cream topping to spread over the top. We've got 1 cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I like to add just a little splash of vanilla. We're going to mix this together until it's stiff peaks. Smooth your whipped topping all over the top. And if you're feeling really fancy, you could melt some chocolate and make some beautiful chocolate curls if you want it to just look awesome. I like to leave a little peak of the chocolate filling underneath so you can kind of tell what type of pie it is, or you can bring it all the way to the edge. If you're a chocolate lover like I am, this pie will be your next guilty pleasure. It is so smooth and creamy and has such a rich chocolate flavor. It's amazing. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more great recipes that taste better from scratch.